It's no secret that the economy's been rough. The American people are struggling to get by. The eastern panhandle of West Virginia is a perfect example of this. Once a prosperous industrial area, the panhandle saw the unemployment rate soar into double digits as several large employers closed their doors, and others had massive layoffs. Men and women who had been lifelong employees of these companies found themselves struggling not only to find new jobs, but struggling just to make ends meet. Some of these individuals have the skills, the drive, and the experience to help rebuild the local economy by starting their own businesses. Unfortunately, the funding is not readily available to help those individuals take that first step. Many programs do exist which offer loans to small businesses, but if you're struggling to support your family, the last thing you want to do is add another debt into the equation. That's where the Pepsi Refreshing Business Project comes in. We will provide startup resources, including training, capital, and marketing assistance to selected entrepreneurs who can help get the Eastern Panhandle back on its feet. It is said if you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, but if you teach a man to fish, you feed him for life. The industrious entrepreneurs in the Panhandle know how to fish. They just need the tools to do it. Vote today.